Hi guys, this is your friend's neighbor in town, the Island Girl next door, and I am about to show you how to prepare one of my versions of delicious curry chicken. Let's get started. All the ingredients will be listed down below. I'm just going to start off by adding some dried thyme before I even touch this chicken. So I'm just going to rub the thyme in my hands, okay? Oops. Okay. So we'll start off with our Tony's Creole seasoning. Okay. This chicken has been washed several times with vinegar, cleaned and washed with vinegar and water, and of course limes and lemons, as you can see. Okay. Now, just be mindful, you can season your chicken with whatever seasoning that you prefer to use, but this is what I use, so you can use as little or as much seasoning as you would like. So now we'll go in with some ground ginger. Okay, just be mindful, we're constantly trying to boost our immune system or keep a healthy immune system, especially with all of the diseases and viruses that's going on in today's society. Now we have some chicken bouillon. Okay, again, as much or as little as you desire. Let's give this a little rub. Just using one glass because I'm saving my gloves for my son for when he goes to work and works at a grocery store. Okay. So now we have some ground onion. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Onion and garlic powder makes everything taste good. I don't care what nobody says. Alright, smells good already. Oh, something about that onion and garlic powder, it smells amazing together. That combination by itself. I'm also going to add some black pepper. Again, as little or as much, you know. Okay guys, we're just going to put just about a tablespoon of cooking oil, whatever type of oil that you normally use. Okay. And once that's heated up, then we'll add our curry powder. My pot is actually hot because I just had it sitting on the heat. So we're just going to add some curry powder. I would say about a tablespoonful. Nothing more. Okay. Maybe a table and a half. No more than 2 tablespoonfuls. So now all we're going to do is brown this curry. Okay. We're just going to cook some of this rawness off this curry. Okay guys, you'll know that your curry has been cooked off because you'll smell. It will start to smell like a toasty smelter. You see that this curry went from a bright yellow to like a caramely yellow. So now we'll start inputting our chicken. Okay. a stir. Alright guys, so now that all of our chicken is in the pot, we're just going to give this a good little stir without any liquid. Okay, we're just going to put the top on and cover this for a good 5 to say 10 minutes, all depends on the heat of your stove. Okay, so that's going to be cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes with a cover on top of it. Alright guys, this is after about 8 minutes. Look at all that water, all that gravy already. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll add in our onions. Carrots and bell pepper and celery. Okay. I'm going to give that a quick stir. So now we'll add some water. Okay. Let's go ahead and add some garlic. About a tablespoon of minced garlic. With a little bit more of the chicken bouillon. Alright. We also add some fresh thyme. Alright guys. Scotch Bonnet Pepper that I'm about to stick some holes into. If you want it really spicy, you can cut this and allow some of the seeds to get into the pot, but I don't want it to be that spicy. So let's put that in the pot. My potatoes. Give this a little stir. I'm also going to put some bay leaves. Alright guys, we'll allow this to cook for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, after 45 minutes, your curry chicken is done. Okay? Look at that. Go ahead and try this recipe. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, be blessed. Neighbors, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that bell. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.